Hi, and welcome everybody. In this video, we will show you the basics of PointCab, how it works, and how you can use it to get the results you need. We will explain how to create a new project, what the different views are about, what tools are available, and what they are good for. You will also learn how to align a project and create your first floor plan and sectional view. Sounds good to you? Then let's get right to work. When you open PointCab for the first time, you see the toolbars on the left and at the top, but nothing can be edited yet. To do this, we have to create a new project first. We do this by clicking on New and selecting a point cloud file. In this case, we are using a point cloud of a regular residential building, which is already registered. After you've selected your point cloud file, PointCab automatically adjusts the settings for you. Pretty cool. These are standard work settings which fit most projects. Once the data has been processed, PointCab automatically creates 3 views for you: a front, a side, and a top view. These so-called ortho photos can also be found as jobs in the job list. The job list is one of the most important tools in PointCab. The jobs you see here are all calculations that PointCab computes for you. If you click on a job, you can see all its metrics and settings in the job editor. The job editor and all of the windows can be moved, resized, and arranged to your liking. If you want to view a job, just right-click on it and select Open. If you prefer to work in tabs rather than tiles, you can display your views by selecting Views and then selecting View Type. Of course, you can work with shortcuts as well. Now, let's take a closer look at our standard views. You can zoom in easily with the mouse wheel or the plus and minus buttons. You can navigate through the picture by holding down the control button and moving the mouse, or by simply using the navigation with the mouse. The different points you see here are the scan points of the single scans. If you like, you can hide them by pressing P. As you can see here, our project is a little crooked. Of course, we would rather have it aligned horizontally. To do this, we use the Align tool. You can find it in the toolbar on the left. It is divided into 2 different toolbars, just like the toolbars above. The Align tool is located in the Module toolbar. Below is the Register bar. At the top are the Vector and Sketch bars. If you like, you can also move these bars around or even hide them. So let's select the Align tool. As you can see, the mouse immediately turns into a cross. With the cross, you can now select a point of origin for your new alignment. The 3 coordinate axes, X, Y, and Z, appear and can be adjusted to your liking. With another click, the alignment directions are set. Now, you just have to select Align Scan Project in the job editor, and your project will be realigned. Looks much better, doesn't it? So now we can get down to business. Let's create our first floor plan. We'll start with the first floor. Just select the Layout and Section tool from the Module toolbar and simply create a section with 2 clicks. You can adjust the section size in the other views. This way, you can make sure you only get the part of the point cloud you need. Simply start the job in the job editor. PointCab creates the section for you. With a double click on the job, we can take a look at it. Doesn't it look like a nice floor plan already? But let's take it a step further and vectorize our layout. To do this, we use the Vectorizer tool from the top toolbar. Just click and drag over the area you want to vectorize. PointCab will detect all lines that can be vectorized and show them in blue. In the job editor on the left, you can adjust how dark on the right or light on the left the pixels you want to include in the vectorization should be. If you move the slider a little bit, you can quickly see which setting is the right one for you. In this case, it looks pretty good already. So we click on Find Lines in the job list. Voila! As you can see, we get an almost perfectly vectorized 2D plan. How cool is that? However, some connections between lines are still missing, so we quickly go over this by hand. Here, for example, we are still missing the corner. Whenever you want to connect a horizontal and a vertical line, use the Intersect Lines tool. In this part, we are still missing lines, so we add them with the Create Lines tool. When you are done, unselect the tool with a right-click. Now connect the lines using the Intersect Lines tool again. If, like in this case, a vector point isn't fitting the line perfectly, you can simply click it with the Select tool and set it to the correct position. If there's a vector line somewhere that you don't need, you can click it or select the whole area and delete it. If you need to insert a vector point, you can do that with the Insert Vector Point tool. If you are satisfied with all vector lines, you only have to select the Vectorize layout job in the job list. As you can see, you get the plan automatically as a DWG, DXF, and Collada file. This is sufficient for us, so we just start the job. You can open the file folder with a double-click or right-click and edit your 2D plan directly in any CAD software. But we're not finished yet. After all, we still want to take some measurements. First, we want to determine the square meters of each room, so we simply select the Area tool and click on the corners of the room we want to measure. Measuring distances with the Distance tool works just as easy. By the way, here's a little hack for you. After you have measured a distance, PointCab automatically selects the job editor. Pretty intuitive. To avoid having to select the Distance tool in the toolbar again, just do a right-click and PointCab will switch back to the last tool you used. As you can see, we have created a vectorized 2D plan and took the first measurements in just a few minutes. Piece of cake, isn't it? If you're working with a house similar to our example here, you would probably want to create a plan for the remaining floors next. So we'll end the video with a nice shortcut for you. You can select the section you already created with a right-click in the job editor and choose Duplicate. Just type in how often you want to copy the section and in which distance. Now, you can just click on Process All Jobs and PointCab will create all sections automatically. As soon as the first section is finished, you can start measuring while PointCab creates the remaining ones in the background. Pretty impressive, isn't it? And that's the end of our video today. We hope you enjoyed it. How fast did you create your first 2D plan with PointCab? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.